1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm SydneyS.Marie. Today I'm actually going to be filming a room tour. As you can tell by the title, another reason why you clicked is because you want to see my room. My room is a pretty decent size. It's like medium-ish. I really wish I had a bathroom because that would just make this room the best room in the world if I had a bathroom, but unfortunately I have to share with my brothers. If you know, you know. But regardless, I'm still really appreciative of the room that I have, and I wanted to show you guys it. I've actually done this video on my channel a couple of times, but I decided to just do it again because why not? Seems like a fun video to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into it. We're gonna film this handheld. So first thing I have here is my door. On top is clothes that are drying. I air dry all my jeans only because it just got real dark in here. I'm sorry. Let's turn on the light. I don't like tumbling my jeans because they shrink, and these are already really small, especially these ones, so I decided to air dry them, and I usually do that to all my jeans. So then right here I have a Marshall's bag. I just went to Marshall's to pick up a bunch of skincare products. I'll be filming a skincare routine really soon, but that's that. And then over towards this little area, my side table, I have my remote that controls the lights in my room. I don't know if you can tell, but around the border of my room I have these really nice lights, and right now they're in the purple color, but I can change them to any color on here. And these lights are from Amazon if you're wondering. So then I have my keys and my garage opener and then my AirPods, and then in here it's just some random stuff, nothing important. Same with this. I also just have like a SD card and some other random things. Over here I have my yearbook, and I have my camera charger, my notebook. Someone asked in my last video what I used to film, and I used the Canon G7X Mark II. I got it from eBay for like $2 something, which is a really good price for this camera. So whenever you're looking to buy cameras, go ahead and go on eBay because they have a lot of good stuff on there. There is me in the flesh. Oh man, I thought I was so cute. I was wrong. Then here I have a lot of random stuff. I'm so sorry that you have to witness this. It's usually not this messy. Actually, no, it is this messy usually, but it's just phone cases and stuff that I use to, like, this is a passport drive. That's what I used to put my video on. I have some like 8GB SD cards, which are completely useless. I don't even know why this lip gloss is in here, first of all. What is this? Oh, what? Trash? These two drawers here are really hopeless, and I'm not even going to show you because they are messy AF. Under my bed, my cat's probably sitting under here asleep because this is her home. Yeah, nope, she definitely is. You can't tell, but she's right there. I have my laptop and then my lovely bed. First of all, I know my bed's ugly, don't roast me, but this is cute, and that's all that matters. I need a whole new comforter set, so just ignore it for now and like put your eyes on something different. I have my closet. Again, this is probably the least aesthetic thing in my room. Oh, can't forget about my trash can. This is not matching anything, but it's cute because it's marble. And I used to love my closet. I used to like have all this stuff in my closet, but it's not anymore. Everything that I don't really care to be seen is in my closet, and dresses and dress shirts are also in here. So that's that. I have a lot of hangers and big coats that don't fit outside of here. I also have my suitcase. It's actually my aunt's suitcase, but she hasn't asked for it back.
Disclaimer, it is not that I want to take her suitcase. It's not that I want to keep it for my own. Personally, she can have it back, but we don't live that close to each other. So every time she comes over, it's either like for a holiday and I forget, or I just forget in general. So hold up.
It's supposed to go in my shop. I haven't put it in my shop downstairs yet. It will go sooner or later, but for now it's in my closet. Then over here we have my clothing racks. I actually do a whole video pertaining all my clothes, so if you guys want to go ahead and check that out, I'll link it down below. And it's basically like a declutter video, and also have a haul, so link to those videos will be down below. So all my clothes are pretty much color coordinated in a way, I suppose. Like I have my yellow, red, green, brown creams, jean, and then black. And then under here I also have some Uggs. I wear these a lot, matter of fact, but they're just under here. And these are all jackets. Over here are my more clothes type clothing racks.
I'm not at all sure what I was trying to say. I meant to, like, I don't know why I said clothes like clothing rack, because obviously they're all clothes. I meant to say, like, clothes that I wear, but I wear all of them. I don't know. I'm over it.
I have my jeans. There's some black jeans that were supposed to be on here, but they're hanging up on the wall. Hanging up on the wall? Is that a wall or is it a door? And then I have some other types of clothes in here. So like this from Urban. It's a hoodie. Cash Talk. This from LF. I have a couple things in here. And then under here we have shoes. And behind here I have some other things that don't really match the flow, but I don't have anywhere to put them because my drawers are legit full and I just decluttered. How does that even work? Anyways, so down here I have my shoes. I have Doc Martens, my Uggs, Chucks, I have Nike, and then Vans. And all of this is shown in a haul because, well, these 4 pairs of shoes at the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, they're shown in a haul. I'm really proud of this setup. It's really pretty, super cute, really pleasing to the eye. So then I have my makeup area in Vanity. So first of all, I have this picture that I got, well, that I took when I was in New York with my best friend and my really good friend Alana. We always have trips together. Grateful for that. We've been friends since high school and you never get that many good friends like that. So if you have a good friend, keep them close because it's hard to find. I don't know why I said that, like, what, inspiring? Anyways, I have lashes. So this is from a brand, Loud Lashes, that I found on Instagram. I thought these were so cute, but I got them and they're really cute, but they're just not me. They're really big and fluffy. I have mandatory minks. I love mandatory mink lashes. They're really good. And I'll see if she still has her shop open because I bought them a long time ago. I have just a bunch of makeup palettes that are catching literal dust. Like, you can't see, but they are literally catching dust. And I have some other palettes, and then my black opal and airspun powder. My airspun powder has a whole crack in it. Like, how did that even happen, first of all? But anyways, I have brushes, nail polish, some other little things in here. My friend actually just texted me, so let me see what she says. I don't want to leave her hanging. So this isn't a makeup collection, but if you guys want one of those, I'll definitely make one. Some lashes that I just got. My Evian water spray. This is like the most stupid thing I ever bought, not gonna lie, but I do like using it. It's nice. I just got it not too long ago and I really do like it. I really don't use any of this makeup. Let's just move past that. I have my vanity mirror. It is messy, so what you're gonna see now is just my hand because I don't want to show you. I'm embarrassed. I have some jewelry from my photo shoot, perfume that my dad got me for my not for my birthday but for Christmas. And these little drawers here I have clothes, and then in this one is just, I'm not only gonna show you a peek because it's a lot in here. Yeah, lotions and body washes and stuff. And then in here I have some scrunchies. I just started getting into scrunchies. Like, I thought they were so cute, and these were only $4.50, and I'm like, that's so cute. So I have a bunch of them. Some sunglasses, some jewelry, my Alex and Ani bracelets, and then some other little stuff in here. Then off to this side of my room, I have my Glossier sticker. I got it a while ago, but I just put it up there. My desk used to be here, believe it or not. I have my window, lets a lot of light in. This here needs to go in my bathroom. It's a hooded dryer. I have my tripod stand. I was just using it, but I decided to be handheld. I have my dirty clothes bin. I have a mirror here. Really cute. Full-fledged. Also have another Glossier sticker. I used to love Glossier, but they're so overpriced. All my iPhone boxes. I have my Mayel hair gummies. I'm taking their vitamins. I'm not sponsored by them, but Mayel, if you want to sponsor me, you know. I bought 4 bottles during Black Friday. I have a Pretty Little Thing package and a Fashion Nova package. Not mine, it's my friend's. I told you guys I'm not spending, and it's so true to that. I have some candles. I love the scent of this candle. It's a mango candle and it smells so amazing. I actually want to smell it right now. It smells so good, you guys. I love the like citrusy fresh smells. This one smells amazing. This one I got from church, and honestly it doesn't smell like anything. Wow, my room tour video is already over. I just have this drawer here that has a bunch of clothes. I have my main purse, and then my bed. Not really aesthetically pleasing, but it's, you know, it's a bed. We sleep in it, you know. So that's it for this video. I know it was really short, and I usually try to get my videos over a certain amount of minutes, but again, I really wasn't even sure to film this or not. I'm not even sure if you guys wanted to see this, but it's on my video ideas, and I wasn't sure on what else I should film today. So this is what you guys got. Definitely give it a thumbs up and turn on my post notifications to get notified when I upload. I also want to say thank you guys for the amount of love that you guys are showing on my last video. Honestly, I did not think that it would reach that multitude so quick. I think I'm almost at 5,000 views. I think I have like 4,000 right now, and I'm almost at 5K, which is amazing. I didn't even know that that video would grow so much, but I want to say thank you guys so much. It's appreciated, and I'm honestly so thankful that my hard work is finally paying off. You know, I made a whole New Year's resolution video that I wanted to get back on YouTube, and I want my goal to reach, well, my goal is to reach 5,000 subscribers for the year's out. So you guys follow me with that goal. Definitely subscribe and like this video. Let me know what you guys think down below, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.